Hi, I'm Dr. NK, a parent coach and a child development expert. Today is a celebration for me and for all of you moms out there. You know why? We at Global Lead have finally launched this much awaited initiative, Two Moms with Love. Yes, it is celebration time every day of the year. We are here to celebrate each one of you mothers. You range from the anxious mothers to be to veteran moms who have successfully brought up awesome personalities. It is for every one of you. So let me tell you something more about this initiative. I have been wanting to be a mother from when I was a small child. Yes, some of us are born with this innate motherly instincts which goes overboard, and I'm blessed to be one, born to a wonderful, strong, dedicated, cultured, and highly ethical mom. And guess what? Today is her birthday. What better day and time can I find to launch this beautiful initiative of celebrating all wonderful mothers? My mom is a supermom. She just knows what to do when, how, and why without any doubts. And she inspired me so much that I fell in love with moms and kids. Went on to get qualified to be a good one. Indeed, I've been a parent coach and child development expert for 15 years now, traveled to various countries, and have seen a lot of mothers. And you know something? This is a secret for you. Mother is a mother wherever she is and whatever stage. We are all the same. We want to be the best, give the best to our children, and see the best evolve in our children. What a joy it is to see our children grow up. On the way, seeing our kids as adults, we experience a lot of emotions: joy, pleasure, anger, fear, frustration, depression, elation, satisfaction, pride, contentment, and the list goes on. We all have our oopsie moments and aha moments, and life unwinds its beauty every step of the way. However, one missing factor could be sharing these moments with like minded people and getting support from well versed people. This initiative, Two Moms with Love, is to celebrate all your moments with each other. We are here to share your joys, sorrows, frustrations, anxiety, and all the moments with us. A mom is also human. She needs love, care, kindness, appreciation, support, and space to have fun. This is just what it's going to be. We invite all of you moms to join us in this gala celebration and enjoy being a mom wherever you are. Let us celebrate each other, be there for each other in all moments. We are creating a special podcast series, a YouTube series, a blog, and a Facebook community, Instagram, and Twitter platforms where we can share each other's everyday moments and celebrate each other. Share tips and tricks, strategies, and techniques to make our life as a mother enjoyable. We want you to share your special moments with your kids in the form of pictures, stories, reels, anecdotes, funny moments, articles, or anything else which will inspire and educate other mothers. Of course, we will be doing our bit by providing you informative articles daily doses of wisdom on various social media platforms. Are you excited? I'm so very thrilled to celebrate each one of you. So, what are you waiting for? See the description box below and join us in every single platform. Follow us and let the celebration begin. See you soon. Love you, moms.